Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 11th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days for the session 22 to 23. I hope you watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is, which country has drafted ecocide bill to punish acts of environmental damages? पर्यावरण क्षति के कृत्यों को दंडित करने के लिए किस देश ने पारिस्थितिकी विधेयक का मसौदा तैयार किया है? द आंसर इज फ्रांस. France has drafted ecocide bill to punish acts of environmental damages. The bill will be applied to the most serious cases of environmental damages at national level, such as pollution of river, etc. Moving to next question. What is the name of first British to visit India? भारत आने वाले प्रथम अंग्रेज का क्या नाम है? द आंसर इज विलियम हॉकिंस. The British first came to India was William Hawkins. He was a representative of English East India Company, notable for being the commander of Hector, the first company ship to anchor at Surat in India on August 24, 1608. Moving to next question. In which year the Indian team won the ODI World Cup for men for the second time? किस वर्ष में भारतीय टीम ने दूसरी बार पुरुषों के लिए एक दिवसीय विश्व कप जीता? एंड द आंसर इज 2011. The Indian cricket team won the ODI World Cup for men for the second time in the year 2011. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the captain of Indian cricket team. Moving to next question. In the context of cloud computing, what is the full form of PaaS? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के संदर्भ में PaaS का पूर्ण रूप क्या है? द आंसर इज प्लेटफॉर्म एज ए सर्विस, एक सेवा के रूप में मंच. Platform as a service is a type of cloud computing offering in which a service provider delivers a platform to clients, enabling them to develop, run, and manage business applications without the need to build and maintain infrastructure such as software development processes typically required. Moving to next question. Which of the following bank was founded by Muthaiya Chidambaram Chettiar in Chennai in 1937? निम्नलिखित में से किस बैंक की स्थापना मुथैया चिदम्बरम चेट्टियर ने 1937 में चेन्नई में की थी? एंड द आंसर इज इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक. Indian Overseas Bank is a major Indian government owned bank. It was founded in February 1937 by Muthaiya Chidambaram Chettiar in Chennai. It was the first bank to venture into consumer credit by introducing a personal loan scheme. Moving to next question. The quote, "Bombs and pistols do not make a revolution. The sword of revolution is sharpened on the whetting stone of ideas," belongs to which of the following freedom fighters? उदाहरण, बम और पिस्तौल क्रांति नहीं करते हैं. क्रांति की तलवार विचारों के पत्थर पर तेज होती है. निम्नलिखित में से किस स्वतंत्रता सेनानी से संबंधित है? द आंसर इज भगत सिंह. The quote given in the question belongs to Bhagat Singh. It was quoted in Bhagat Singh and his ideology by Ram Bakshi. Moving to next question. In which state is Sasthamkotta Lake located? सस्थमकोट्टा झील किस राज्य में स्थित है? एंड द आंसर इज केरल. Sasthamkotta Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Kerala. It is also categorized as a wetland. The lake is named after the ancient temple located on its bank. Moving to next question. Dolomite is an ore of which of the following metals? Dolomite निम्नलिखित में से किस धातु का अयस्क है? And the answer is calcium. Dolomite is the second most important and abundant of the carbonate minerals, chemically and structurally. It may be regarded as calcite with half of the calcium ions replaced the magnesium. Moving to next question. Name the first Indian who reached South Pole. दक्षिणी ध्रुव पर पहुंचने वाले पहले भारतीय का नाम बताइए. द आंसर इज कर्नल JK बजाज. Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Colonel J.K. Bajaj is the first Indian who reached the South Pole at 0 degree latitude in Antarctica. Moving to next question. In which year was the Central Board of Revenue Act in India promulgated? भारत में केंद्रीय राजस्व बोर्ड अधिनियम किस वर्ष प्रख्यापित किया गया था? द आंसर इज 1963, 1963. The Central Board of Revenue Act in India was promulgated in the year 1963. The two boards, CBDT and CBIC, were constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Acts 1963. Moving to next question. Indira Sagar Dam, which is a concrete gravity dam, is located in which of the following states of India? इंदिरा सागर बांध, जो एक कंक्रीट ग्रेविटी बांध है, भारत के निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य में स्थित है? एंड द आंसर इज मध्य प्रदेश. इंदिरा सागर डैम is a multi-purpose dam project at Madhya Pradesh in central India. It was built on Narmada River. It was completed in the year 2003. Its reservoir is counted among largest reserve of India. Moving to next question. When pressure is applied to a fluid, the pressure change is transmitted to every part of the fluid without any loss. Which of the following laws explain this phenomenon? जब किसी द्रव पर दबाव डाला जाता है तो दबाव परिवर्तन बिना किसी नुकसान के द्रव के प्रत्येक भाग में संचारित हो जाता है. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा कानून इस घटना की व्याख्या करता है? द आंसर इज पास्कल्स लॉ, पास्कल का नियम. Pascal's law states that in a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container. Moving to next question. Which committee was appointed to give a detailed report on the non-performing assets of public sector banks? सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र के बैंकों की गैर निष्पादित आस्तियों पर विस्तृत रिपोर्ट देने के लिए किस समिति को नियुक्त किया गया था? द आंसर इज पनीर सेल्वम कमिटी, पनीर सेल्वम समिति. पनीर सेल्वम कमिटी was appointed to give a detailed report on non-performing assets of public sector banks. Moving to next question. Name the first Indian president to die in office. कार्यालय में मरने वाले पहले भारतीय राष्ट्रपति का नाम बताइए. द आंसर इज डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the first Indian president who died in office on May 3, 1969. He was Vice Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University and the recipient of Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. Moving to next question. Name the first Indian missile. पहली भारतीय मिसाइल का नाम बताइए. And the answer is Prithvi. Prithvi was India's first indigenously developed ballistic missile produced by the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program (IGMDP). It was first test fired on February 25, 1988. Moving to next question. In which year was the State Financial Corporation Act passed? The act provides for the establishment of state financial corporations. राज्य वित्तीय निगम अधिनियम किस वर्ष पारित किया गया था? अधिनियम राज्य वित्तीय निगमों की स्थापना के लिए प्रदान करता है. द आंसर इज 1951. द स्टेट फाइनेंशियल कॉर्पोरेशन एक्ट वाज पास्ड ऑन October 31, 1951. It was later amended in 1962 under State Financial Corporation Amendment Act 1962. Moving to next question. The distributary of which river takes name Padma in Bangladesh? बांग्लादेश में किस नदी के वितरण का नाम पद्मा है? द आंसर इज गंगा. द पद्मा और पोद्दा is a major river in Bangladesh and India. It is the main distributary of the Ganga, following generally southeast for 120 km to its confluence with the Meghna River near the Bay of Bengal. Moving to next question. The Valley of Flowers National Park is located in which state/union territory? फूलों की घाटी राष्ट्रीय उद्यान किस राज्य/ केंद्र शासित प्रदेश में स्थित है? एंड द आंसर इज उत्तराखंड. द वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स नेशनल पार्क लोकेटेड इन North Chamoli, and Pithoragarh in the state of Uttarakhand. It is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and variety of flora. Moving to next question. Among the following, who has written the book Exam Warriors? निम्नलिखित में से किसने एग्जाम वॉरियर्स पुस्तक लिखी है? The answer is नरेंद्र मोदी. Exam Warriors is a book by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, published in 2018. It is written for young students to help them deal with the stress of exams. Moving to next question. The World Body Governing of which sports has introduced a new game format called triples? किस खेल को संचालित करने वाली विश्व संस्था ने ट्रिपल नामक एक नया खेल प्रारूप पेश किया है? The answer is badminton. The Badminton World Federation (BWF) launched two new formats of badminton game, namely air badminton and triples in May 2019. In triples format, badminton match will be played between a team of total 3 players. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not one of the tools of robotics process automation? निम्नलिखित में से कौन robotics process automation का एक उपकरण नहीं है? The answer is power center. Power center is not one of the tools of robotic process automation. Power Center is a cloud-based enterprise data integration platform that helps businesses with the data integration lifecycle. Moving to next question. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, who is a recipient of Padma Vibhushan, is associated with which of the following instruments? पद्म विभूषण से सम्मानित पंडित शिव कुमार शर्मा निम्नलिखित में से किस वाद्य यंत्र से जुड़े हैं? The answer is संतूर. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is an Indian music composer and santoor player from Jammu and Kashmir. He is the recipient of Padma Shri 1991 and Padma Vibhushan in 2001. Moving to next question. Which one of the following is an extra constitutional body? निम्नलिखित में से कौन एक अतिरिक्त संवैधानिक निकाय है? The answer is नीति आयोग. The Niti Ayog is an extra constitutional body. It is just think tank of Government of India established with the aim to achieve sustainable development goals with the cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom-up approach. Moving to next question. For which specific region in Bengali Venkya remembered event today? बंगाली वेंक्या में किस विशेष कारण को आज भी याद किया जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज ही डिजाइंड द इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग. उन्होंने भारतीय राष्ट्र ध्वज को डिजाइन किया. इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर बंगाली वेंक्या वाज ए स्टॉन्च फॉलोअर ऑफ महात्मा गांधी एंड द डिजाइनर ऑफ फ्लैग ऑन विच द इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग वाज बेस्ड. ही वाज बोर्न एट बतलापेनुमरू नियर मछलीपट्टनम, Andhra Pradesh. Moving to next question, and it is the last question of today. The terms systolic and diastolic are used in the context of which of the following? Systolic और diastolic शब्दों का प्रयोग निम्नलिखित में से किसके संदर्भ में किया जाता है? The answer is measuring blood pressure, रक्तचाप को मापना. The terms systole and diastole refers to when the heart muscles relax and contract. The balance between diastole and systole determines a person's blood pressure. Thanks for watching this video. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.